Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to filter spam and offensive comments in TikTok. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, you will see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and it will take you to your profile page. You can see the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the hamburger icon. Now, you will see two options: Creator Tools and Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, you will see many options. From there, tap on Privacy. There, you will find comments under the Safety section. Tap on it and look for the Filter Spam and Offensive Comments. Once you find it, tap on the Enable button, and TikTok will filter the spam and offensive comments. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to filter spam and offensive comments on TikTok. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button to our video and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.